this is everything that it comes with. These, actually, it comes with it as well. So it's like red, other colors, black, white, pink. These nail tools came inside of this little thing that was with everything else. Obviously it comes with instructions, nail tip guides, way smaller than I thought it would be, but it's the foldable one, so that's not too bad. It comes with the charger as well. They give you 3 types of things that you can decorate your nails with. They have all kinds of glitter, nail accessories. These ones are kind of like a little swoop, flowers. And this, I thought it was pretty interesting. This actually comes with this little tool in it, and on one side there is a brush, and on the other side you use to plaster it on your nail. Of course, it comes with clamps. It comes with these little nail final sticker things. 3 types of sorry, I'm not a nail expert, so 3 things. Some tweezers that are pretty long, as well as some solution, and 2 things of these top coats. There we go.